Hi, are you ready to learn major scales in your ukulele? This time it's the key of A. In my model, you can see that I write in a vertical line, the blue line are the notes of the ukulele. It's G, C, E, and A. In your actual uke, G is facing the ceiling and A is facing the floor. The horizontal line, which is green, are the frets where you will guide your hand to press it for your following the tab. The major key in A are A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, and A. The top are the original keys of the key of A. It's all in the last string, which is the note of A. The red number on the horizontal line are the alternate keys, except it's a little bit lower. Let's practice those keys so our hands can remember where the notes are. The original notes are from all in the last string. 4th string 0 fret, 4th string 2nd fret, 4th string 4th fret, 4th string 5th fret, 4th string 7th fret, 4th string 9th fret, 4th string 11th fret, and 4th string 12th fret. Let's play it forward and backward. Now let's do the alternate keys, which is in the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd string. 1st string 2nd fret, 1st string 4th fret, 2nd string 1st fret, 2nd string 2nd fret, 3rd string no fret, 3rd string 2nd fret, 3rd string 4th fret, and 3rd string 5th fret. Let's play it forward and backward. Keep on practicing until your hands remember where the key